Is your Kia Sportage alarm constantly going off? It's a common issue, especially in 2017-2023 models. The main culprits are often the door hood switches, interior sensors, or key fob. First, try resetting the system using your key fob. If that doesn't work, check the hood and door switches for corrosion, misalignment, or debris. These switches, often reed switches activated by magnets, can cause false triggers if faulty. Clean them thoroughly. For interior sensors, consider whether pets, temperature changes, or electrical interference might be the cause. If the key fob is the issue, replace the battery or try reprogramming it, which can be done with a USB adapter in some cases. Remember that recent Kia service bulletins address alarm issues linked to software glitches, and OTA updates can sometimes resolve the problem. Finally, remember to pull the BCM fuse to reset it if needed. If basic troubleshooting fails, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes in the alarm system. Faulty switch replacement costs range from $50 to $200. Reprogramming a key fob might cost $100 to $150. Environmental factors like humidity can accelerate corrosion, particularly in coastal regions, affecting switches. Kia is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics to predict sensor failures, and smartphone apps now offer remote alarm resets. Future Sportage models will likely feature enhanced cybersecurity for fobs and more reliable solid-state switches. Also, it might be beneficial to check if you are eligible for an extended warranty with your dealership. If the issue persists, consult a professional mechanic, as incorrect fixes can be costly.